knows what a clutch that is. No, 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 no. Welcome back to my channel, SuperCoop. I got a very nice car for you guys today. If my hair's a mess, I'm sorry. It's because I've been running my hands through my fingers quite a lot. I need a haircut. It's flipping freezing, so I would have this up, but it's like really thick and it makes me look like a thug. Right, so I thought you've seen a couple of times on my channel about the Mitsubishi GTO. This one. So we're going to have a closer look, and I'm going to give you a little bit of insight out what this car is about. Obviously it does not belong to me, it belongs to my girlfriend. Yeah, it's a bit of a beast. Shall we crack on with the video?
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
Okay, first up you're going to be wondering, body styling? I have no idea, okay? I will be honest, I've never seen the bonnet before, and I've only just recently found what the bumper is, but now that I'm doing the video I can't remember what the bumper is, but it has had some custom work. This particular section here has been cut out, so on the original bumper that would have carried on all the way through, but that's been cut out and filled in, which I think makes the bumper even better. It is a fiberglass bonnet. Obviously it's got the pop-up headlights, the old trusty headlights. Let's give a demonstration. That makes the character of the car. Everybody loves pop-up headlights. Bring pop-up headlights back. The wheels, I'm not actually sure. On the back of them they've got something like Rays, ENG, English, I don't know, engineering, I don't know. No idea when I searched them. So yeah, but they're 17s, they're split rims, and apart from body wise, it is a phase, it's the Mark 1, phase 1, I don't know how you call them, I don't know my Mitsubishis. So it is the Mark 1, which originally had the aero kit, obviously with an aftermarket front bumper and a phase 2 spoiler. That aftermarket, that obviously without the with an aftermarket front bumper and a series 2 spoiler on it, the aero kit is obviously not existent anymore. The switches are still in the dashboard, but no aero. There's obviously a bit of work done underneath the bonnet. Shall we have a look? Yes. Right, to unlock the bonnet, obviously with bonnet pins, because it is fiberglass, you have a series of, it's like, makes you feel that much more, I'm in a race car, you know. The interior. Now this car is built for one purpose, and that is to drive, to go quick. 4-wheel drive, 3-litre V6 twin turbo. Don't mind the GoPro up there, obviously I'm going to be doing a bit of driving very soon. You have an aftermarket rev counter there, and with a shift light. It's got a shift light right in the corner. This is one of my personal favourite steering wheels. Never mind the pun, personal. Yeah. There's no heater controls. The heater is literally that red switch. So if you want heat, you just flick the red switch. That is it. You know, it's built for a purpose, and that's to drive fucking fast. Seats are out of an Evo. Which Evo, I have no idea. As I've mentioned, I don't know my my Mitsubishis all that well, but I'm sure I'm gonna learn. Anyway, let's have a look at the goods. Let's have a look at the goods. And there she is, in all her glory. A 3-litre V6 twin turbo. A lot of work has been put into this engine, obviously not by us, because we bought the car pretty much how it is. Yeah, so you've got a tubular manifold up front. A lot of intake pipes, shiny bits, which I can see us having to shine up for next year's car season. As far as I know, it's a custom intake plenum. It's running Evo 560cc injectors. It's, don't quote me on this, 13T turbos. Obviously there's a turbo here and there's a turbo somewhere down there. So forgive me if I haven't covered everything. I'm not entirely clued up with this car, but you know, talking about parts and stuff, I just want to hear the thing. It does, one of the other things that I can say is it doesn't have the dual dual exit exhaust. It's twin turboed and it goes into the one exhaust, which brings it a lot more deeper and a lot more throatier. You know, when I first heard the car, first drove the car, I thought I prefer Skyline noise, you know. I have to admit that this growl that this car gives is, yeah, it's growing on me. Not better than a Skyline. It's not better than a Skyline, but yeah, she sounds mint. Why don't we take it for a spin? There's one thing I have to say, and this steering wheel is amazing. I really want one for my car. It is really, really amazing. The clutch on this car is solid. The suspension on this car is solid. So, you definitely feel like you're driving a race car, which is what you want, you know. This is a 1991 Mitsubishi GTO, and hats off to this car because it is as clean as anything for being nearly 30 years old. yeah. So, but subscribe for more